Witness the transformation of a master bedroom, a project that redefines comfort and elevates everyday living into an experience of pure luxury. Our journey begins with a space that, while functional, lacked the character and warmth desired for a personal sanctuary. The goal was to infuse this room with a sense of quiet opulence, creating a haven of tranquility and sophisticated style. This endeavor was not merely about updating decor, but about completely reimagining the room's essence, turning it into a bespoke retreat that balances modern elegance with timeless comfort. Join us as we walk through the meticulous process of this stunning metamorphosis, from its humble beginnings to its breathtaking conclusion. Our starting point was a bedroom characterized by its simplicity and outdated features. The room felt uninspired, with plain, unremarkable walls and worn flooring that had seen better days. The existing furniture, though serviceable, did little to contribute to a cohesive or luxurious atmosphere. Natural light filtered through standard curtains, illuminating a space that was clean but devoid of personality. It was a blank canvas, but one that was crying out for a visionary touch to unlock its hidden potential. We envisioned a complete overhaul that would touch every surface, replacing the old and ordinary with textures, colors, and materials that speak of refined taste and exceptional quality. The renovation began with a swift and decisive clearing of the old. A time-lapse captures the dynamic energy as old furniture vanishes and the worn flooring is stripped away, revealing the foundational structure. This marked the true beginning of the transformation, preparing the space for its new identity. The first major element to be introduced was the smoked oak wood flooring. Each plank was laid with precision, its rich, deep tones immediately grounding the room and adding a layer of organic warmth and sophistication. Simultaneously, the framework for the room's centerpiece began to take shape, a grand, upholstered panel wall destined to become the headboard. This structural element was designed not just for visual impact, but also to house integrated technology, with channels carved out for hidden LED strips and wiring for elegant champagne metal lighting fixtures. As the renovation progressed, the room entered an intermediate phase where the new design began to emerge from the construction. The smoked oak flooring was now fully installed, its lustrous finish reflecting the light. On the main wall, the upholstered panels were being meticulously fitted, their soft texture creating a dramatic contrast with the hard surfaces. The motion of the installation team blurred into a seamless flow of activity as they worked to bring the design to life. This midway point was a fascinating glimpse into the layered process of luxury design, where foundational elements and intricate details start to coalesce, hinting at the magnificent final outcome that is steadily approaching. The final stage of the transformation focused on installation and styling, where the room truly began to feel like a home. The custom bed, perfectly proportioned for the space, was carefully positioned against its new upholstered backdrop. Layers of luxurious silk bedding were artfully arranged, their gentle sheen adding a touch of glamour. Flanking the bed, chic bedside lamps were installed, and as their warm, ambient light flickered on, the room was bathed in an inviting glow. The final touches were placed with an artist's eye. Decorative pillows were plumped and set, adding pops of texture and color, while a plush rug was unrolled at the foot of the bed, completing the foundation of comfort and elegance. The culmination of our efforts is a master bedroom transformed into a sanctuary of unparalleled luxury and serenity. The final reveal showcases a space where every detail has been thoughtfully curated. Soft, warm lighting accentuates the elegant texture of the upholstered wall, while the deep, moody tones of the smoked oak flooring provide a sophisticated foundation. The subtle gleam of champagne metal accents on the lighting fixtures and hardware adds a final layer of polish and refinement. This is no longer just a room for sleeping, it is a bespoke retreat, a testament to the power of thoughtful design to create spaces that are not only beautiful but also deeply restorative and personal.